Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels trial option not showing. Alright, let's begin. First, open Instagram and tap your profile picture to access your profile. Tap the plus icon at the top to create a reel. Select any reel and tap Next. If you scroll down and do not see the Reels trial option, follow these steps to fix it. Close the Instagram app completely, then open your phone settings. On iPhone, go to General, then iPhone Storage. Find Instagram in the list and select Offload App. After that, reinstall it. This clears any bugs that may be preventing the Reels trial option from appearing. Next, go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see an Update button, tap it to ensure your app is on the latest version. Once updated, open Instagram and check if the Reels trial option is now available. If the option is still missing, it likely means your country is not currently eligible for this feature. So, that's basically how you can fix Instagram Reels trial option not showing. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.